With our recent trip to the Kruger National Park, we took the fastest route through Swaziland. From the Onverwacht border post to Mananga border post, the road is in perfect condition with minimal traffic. In Komatipoort, we first had to stop at the Lebombo butchery to get some top quality meat for the trip. We entered through the Crocodile Bridge gate, and with all the correct documentation, we were in the park in no time.
Welcome in the Kruger National Park, one of the oldest parks in South Africa. I hope we're gonna have a fabulous time out here for 3 days, going to Lower Sabie, Skukuza and Berg-en-Dal, and hope to see the big five soon.
In this first part of our trip, we are doing the Lower Sabie area. From Crocodile Bridge, we took the S28 to the Lower Sabie rest camp. The 45 degrees Celsius heat wave didn't make things easy, and the animals also suffered. But with a lot of patience and not giving up, the hard work paid off. Sunset Dam always has the most beautiful sunsets. We enjoyed a perfect night in camp, and with our bush deck canopy and alucab rooftop tent, camping is always quick and easy.